All right, I'm breaking from the mold from my normal teaching videos on YouTube. And today I just want to give you like a real stuff behind the scenes and talk about the fact that I took like a 4 month break from releasing videos on YouTube. And I'm going to just tell you why, because I appreciate you, my viewer. I know that like my channel is pretty small. And so I just want to have a real heart to heart and give you like a little bit of a behind the scenes into what I'm doing, why I took so much time offline. Do I plan to release more videos? And what happened, right? Like, I want to show you like some of the cool nerdy stats and things like that. So if you're with me, let's dive into this. Okay. And I also really don't have like the typical notes or script that I follow. I just want to keep this really real. You can see I got Petey with me. He's like totally out. Okay, must be nice, right? A dog's life. So if you don't know me, Steph Parisi here, and I run a marketing membership for entrepreneurs, and I absolutely just love it. The last video I released in 2023 was on December 3rd, and I didn't publish a new video until midway through April this year in 2024, which was over 4 months off YouTube. And I honestly didn't plan for it to be that long. I released 55 videos in 2023. And a little backstory here is I started my channel in 2020. So I've been doing YouTube for over 4 years now. It's been one of the best decisions of my life. I have videos on YouTube. You can check out the entire playlist of why I love it, why I recommend it. But the fact of the matter is being a YouTube creator sometimes is just exhausting. As much as I love making videos, there's the editing process, the filming process, and come December, I just wanted to take some time off and enjoy it with my family and not be on the hamster wheel of filming videos over the holidays. My parents were coming to town over Christmas. It was great. We got time off. And of course, like my kids got sick. We all got sick. That's just like part of having little kids. I also highlighted like my top videos from 2023 over the course of 4 weeks. That was my plan. And then to like hit the ground running in January. But what I found out was that one, having some time off was really nice. Like I said, I've been on this YouTube hamster wheel for over 4 years making videos, and just having a break from it was great. It gave me time to focus on other things. Like I got to focus more on trainings in my pack membership. I also got to create new things. Like I created a brand new stories workshop based off of 5 years and over 30 videos I made on YouTube about Facebook and Instagram stories. Well, I put it all into one 25-minute workshop, and not having to create on YouTube gave me the time to focus on some of those other efforts and things like that that I really wanted to do, that I had been wanting to do for a long time, and I just hadn't had the time to do it. The other crazy thing is that as the months kept rolling by, I noticed something. My stats when it came to views and subscribers didn't decline at all. In fact, everything was the opposite. I'm going to pop up some screenshots that I've taken so you can see the actual facts. So you can see here at the top, this is comparing from August to December of 2023. And you can see the views, my watch time, subscriber count, the money I made from YouTube ads, that type of thing. Here at the bottom, you can see the screenshot showing from December to mid-April, so the time where I didn't release any videos. You can see my views, my watch time, subscribers, income, all that thing. And so it actually only increased. And I saw this happening as the months were ticking by. So in January, I was like, oh, nothing has slowed its course on YouTube. Now, I don't think this would really be possible for like a brand new channel. If you were starting out on YouTube and you were still working on getting monetized and growing, you wouldn't want to probably take time off. But this is one of the things that I love about YouTube is that you put out so much great evergreen content that new people keep looking that up and finding you. But the key is did what was happening on YouTube, did this correlate to outside of YouTube when it came to, say, my email list or my Facebook group where I like invite people to join, which if you haven't heard of it, it's called Create Stories That Sell. You're welcome to pop in it for marketing tips, but let me show you what happened inside the group. Okay, so same layout here. The top screenshot is from August through the end of November of last year in 2023. And then you see the next 4 months below it when I wasn't releasing videos. And you can see my Facebook group actually grew more when I wasn't releasing videos than when I was releasing videos, right? Now, if you're like, wow, Steph, you decline a lot of people. Well, if people don't answer the questions, if they appear to be a fake profile, that type of thing, like I'm really not in it to have like a massive amount. Realize like quality over quantity here, right? Like I'd rather engage with 10 people who genuinely need my help when it comes to online business than 50 people who just really aren't into it. So now let me show you income, right? Like I'm giving you all the behind the scenes here. Okay, so same thing here. The top is a screenshot of about 3.5 months of my income from August to November in 2023. And then at the bottom, you can see here we have the end of November, early December of 2023 to, again, the beginning of April. And you can see that my income from my Parisi pack business from Stripe here, I also use PayPal and Square and things like that. So this isn't exactly on point, but it's pretty close. But I wanted to give you actual pictures so you could see what was going on. So really, really cool. Just one of the reasons why I love YouTube so much. I didn't start YouTube to become a famous YouTuber, right? Like, I absolutely love that you're watching this video, but I didn't start it with the intention of having to have like 100,000 subscribers or anything like that. The whole reason why I did it was to get leads for my business. And with just churning out videos, part of what I found was that I was neglecting nurturing the leads that I'm getting automatically, regardless of churning out videos and wanting to nurture those leads and bring them into my membership. And you can see based off of my income, my membership only continued to grow without me releasing new videos. So what lies ahead? Am I going to produce more YouTube content? Yes, I am. I do like filming videos. And the main thing is that I get questions from my network every single week of like videos that I want to produce. One of the ones coming up that I know that I'm going to make is just how am I making money on YouTube? Because it isn't just from my membership. I have other income sources and I want to share those with you and why it's relevant. And then also just answer other questions that people ask me on a daily when it comes to running a successful online business and digital marketing. Pretty cool, huh? If you're still watching, boop that like button. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.